One of our big things that we love to be able to do is be able to listen to our members' feedback. We work with our members hand in hand. Heck, I have members that tell me good morning every day inside of the platform. We have a community that is built that is so strong, and I'm very proud to be able to talk about in that way. So with that being said, we listen to that feedback. That's how we come up with new marketing tools. That's how we come up with new ideas and different approaches that we have to take. We go all the way, our marketing coaches go all the way down deep to be able to work with our members to be able to figure out why they are not ranking locally. And one of the big things we've noticed is that they're not ranking because of their website. They're not getting enough traffic to their website. We use local SEO to be able to drive that traffic without the use of ads or buying leads or any of that. We drive the traffic that is looking for potential customers to their website. Well, a lot of times we get websites that are done by the user. They create it on Wix, or they try to do it on their own to be able to save some money. So we came up with a program that's specifically for small businesses. It is a website design program. So as a member, you can add this on to your membership. This comes with your hosting. This comes with 100% done for you design. We do everything for you on that aspect. Everything is included. You have unlimited changes. You can put those requests into us as long as you are a member. So as long as you stay a member with the website package, you get access to all that. So we are offering website design. So if your business is looking for a website and you want to be able to get your business found by more local customers who are searching for your products and services, check us out. Check out our new plans at simplyfound.com. My name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders. You have a 1 in 5 chance of talking to me. You have a 2 in 5 chance of talking to a founder. We created Simply Be Found to be able to help the small business owner that is looking to be able to thrive in their local market and get found by more customers who are searching for the products and services they offer. Check us out, simplybefound.com.